Well, that is nice.
It is nice.
With the price you're looking for, that's the top of the price list
Yeah.
for it. And I wouldn't be able to be there for you. I'd have to be at the very most half price.
Right.
Man, I promised Russell that I was gonna sell all the signs for top dollar, and then I was gonna use the money to clean up and paint the Shepherd's Inn.
Shoot, man. It was really nice to meet
couldn't
you.
help you out.
Okay, thank you so
I'm
much.
gonna have to switch it up. The only way I'm gonna get it done here is to find a business or a collector that really wants the whole group of signs.
The most important thing when you're trying to sell something is to remember who are you selling to. An antique shop, they're wholesale, and a wholesale person is going to pay less for something because they're reselling it for a profit. But if you sell to a collector, it's different. It's an emotional buy, and a collector will pay more because why? They're going to keep it. I'm just frustrated. Really frustrated.
This is serious business we're doing today.
I need to go around